or Yezi Banpapo. Guys, join me today. We are preparing some azan spinach. You know, I'm always tired, but I still want to eat nice. So I got this. It's less than a pound from Asda. You see how aquadron no Charlie. I want everything to be fast, so we are going to add. This is diced onion from Asda. But your man time could be na. Yeah, aquadron. Guys, we are still cooking. If you love this palm oil, I sell some pocho baby. It will be to be from Hilda's Kitchen. It's very nice. So this is kaku. It's also available at Hilda's Kitchen. Guys, let's add in some powder pepper. In Ghana, some people call it ashaomuku. I don't know how truthful it is. So join me as I'm cooking. So this is my fresh tomato. You can use chopped one, the canned one. Let's add in our chopped tomatoes. This is the fresh one. I'm going to add in some pure tomato, about 1 full tablespoon. For me to taste Ghana and taste Hilda's Kitchen, whatever I can maybe or one I'm selling on Jack, as in why and this is good. Yes, all record. For as you all know, how can I do it without the courgette? I love it. It's nice, nutritious. Papa. So I'm going to dice those and add it to my stew. Can cut them into any sizable size of yours. Table sizable size. Alright, this is Hilda's Kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment. Jack, let's go. Hilda's Kitchen is easy, but then it's no formula. But Charlie's name will be easy. As our stew is cooking, we are going to add in our courgettes. Wow, that's nice. You are fun and trouble. Easy but a pop baby. So I've got here some baby spinach. Yeah, I'm going to wash them very nicely and add them to my stew. Oh yeah, Papa. Say busy Papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's Kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment. It was a 4-month bunch. Spinach nana my home. Come. Good food. Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Papa. Or okay. It was a mom bunch. We are away you. Or buy na ho boys me ana ma hwema wedding over request sets as Simsia or record of Hilda's Kitchen. Cooking with no formula. Charlie, on no budget. Oh baby, but you try it for me. You are come nutritious. Oh easy Papa. Ebusia mom bonje data. Ebusia with them is miss spinach na spinach is open soup. And as you can tell no. It looks more watery, yeah. I should back at Abion Kwana system Pochonia Abion Kwana, you mean film with Pochomaka coded the me as the urban womb and with the tomato snow, sister, you in your fruit summer. And I am pieces some set as it. It's impeding about Talamanam and no soon in our oil. Come now, take next step, so don't skip through the video. Pop, baby, papa. Spinach, I brought you spinach, is an onion, papa. Sister. No near nti eko baby na was serve spinach stew na eko fie na anko number 2 ampocho frame partner than has needs man I'm going to add some of this to my stew. Can buy some from Kashmir supermarkets. The spinach is also from Kashmir supermarkets. Courgettes from Kashmir supermarkets. Fresh tomatoes from Kashmir supermarkets. In short, palm oil from Kashmir supermarkets. The pepper from Kashmir supermarket. Today we are cooking with full ingredients from Kashmir supermarkets. The plantain, the yam, everything that you are seeing here are bought from Kashmir supermarkets. Go there, shop quality, shop affordable. It has been on for more than 30 minutes. The only difficult stew to cook here in abroad is spinach. Spinach stew. You contemporary stew, spinach. At this time, I've got some eggs here, and I'm just adding in some salt. A photo. For a year, some for you, Trady. Yes, Sister J. It was a picture for by air and the bra. So bros and shop for brana easy. Everything is going to be ready in no time. For chop frozen. Hey, cha cha cha. Lily, papa, odim. If ya my bros and by arena, Mrs. Jado, come, na shamo for you, sir. In a super do no swim chain. Don't get me wrong, it's still a bit watery. And I've done our tara, me really made TV damara. Na mama wa toba no chede. Come on. Good food made in a clean environment. Or call the shop boko. Tap. You know, why been a mamma sister you? The good containers some kama or drop. Them dash it freezer me here. Me me boko. Look with Jumana mamma days from Baba no way the first to come on. More me and not cheddar, no by any says do not cheddar. Everything is ordered an aquin boko. Thank you for watching. Or it's your mom bonnet.